So far in this series, I've been talking mostly to households, to the person sitting at home opening a bill they can't afford, to the 4 million people on prepayment meters with no safety net. And that consumer, that household, will always be at the heart of what cryptotricity does. But today I want to zoom out, because cryptotricity was designed for more than one audience. Let's start with the households we haven't talked about. There are 28.5 million households across the UK and Ireland. 3.7 million of them are early smart meter adopters, already connected, already engaged, looking for platforms that make their energy work harder for them. Then there are the 6.1 million households currently in fuel poverty. For them, cryptotricity isn't a loyalty reward, it's a financial lifeline. A way to claw back money from a system that is taken and never returned. The second audience is energy suppliers. Right now, replacing a customer who is left through a supplier switching service costs the supplier an average of £150 in marketing and reacquisition spend just to replace. Suppliers who join the Cryptotricity network get access to their most financially engaged, energy-aware customers who stay, not because they're locked in, but because the platform delivers genuine value every single month. Third audience is housing associations. In England right now, housing associations face huge fines per property for failing to meet energy efficiency standards by 2030. They also face a human cost. 1 in 4 social housing tenants is currently in fuel poverty. Prepayment meter disconnections happen silently at night with no warning and no immediate way to intervene. Cryptotricity gives housing associations a compliance infrastructure platform. Smart meter data, demand flexibility participation, lifeline emergency credit for tenants, automated evidence reports for government funding applications. All in one platform. No crypto knowledge required from a single tenant. And finally, the fourth audience is the grid itself. Every household on Cryptotricity that responds to a green alert, shifting their load during renewable surplus windows, is directly reducing the UK and Ireland's dependence on gas power plants. Consumers save money, suppliers retain customers, housing associations meet their obligations, and the grid gets cleaner. That is the Cryptotricity ecosystem. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the company and why we built it, why it's important to us, and what it means for you. Waitlist is currently open, cryptotricity.ie early access. Founding members receive bonus token allocation at launch. See you in video 7.